is Urvash Kumar Patel, and today I am here to represent the Federation University Graduation Attribute ITech 7415 Master Project. Our group in a four-member, one group member in a me Urvash Kumar Patel, and another three group member is Sharandeep Kaur, Paramjit Kaur, and Gurkiran. Sharandeep Kaur is a software developer, and another three group member Paramjit Kaur, Gurkiran, and me is the enterprise system students. We are making an online food ordering apps, and our client is a Sincere Cafe Center and Restaurant in Macquarie Centre, Sydney. The project has successfully done by completing the research work, and I have to work on the literature and financing of the restaurant ordering mobile application, and according to on that, and we have taken care of client requirements in the project, and I have also studied already exiting mobile application which is working in the system for delivering the meal, and also the research in the coursework helps to deal with the client. In this coursework to help I learned that how client problem can be solved with the help of the literature review and pass the requirement of the developer and the IT infrastructure as well. This course helped me to commitment among the team member, all the risk factor that can occur in the project by learning in the case studies against our topic, and as well food ordering system the real-time implementation. So this course helps to in understand the framework of Scrum which falls in a agile methodology, and the complete the project was broken down into the user stories, and each story was taken by the team member, and the Scrum meeting helps to our team work together or by developing the best communication channel, and as well deliver to the product with proper documentation and the presentation. And the best part of the course in learn how from the case studies which helps to us to learn about the solution regarding the problem statements. And this whole course was designed professionally for the enterprise students to achieve in the best outcomes regarding to the market. Also, this course helped in team building skills in information of head infrastructure of technology sector, and it's helped to takes the problem of the real world, which helps to me gain experience in every process of the project management, which requires done by to the project again the every perspective, and the instructions helps to provide information to every step of the project, and as well which require us to take care of the problem which we will face in the future in the industries. And in this course client from the industries become the key of stakeholders to communicate with him, fulfill the requirement according to the our timeline. According to SIFA skills, it was based on strategies, inspire and mobilize due to achieve service management skills, and also this course helps to build up career group going to fulfill the level of SIFA skills, and it helps to improve communication skills as well presentation skills, and that were very useful to the in the future. The course related to IT infrastructure, achieve goals and solve technical issue in the best ways. This course teamwork concept, the problem solving and the way of working that the helps survive competitors, and motivational by giving the complete guidance in the about the project. And also it provides the literature work that helps increase the knowledge due to fulfill the requirement. And the concept of this project of doing interview of the client via email requirements, complete the data management skills, and how to reach the client and how gather data from the client. In this course if we collaborate with the client, it helps to understand the requirement gathering process can be completed according data and information management mentions in the project. And also is the main factor in the most important part of this course, how can all the resources can by managing the building teams and developing the communication channels, and also is the fulfill all the requirements of the part as per the service management. And the also team has been developed in this course. Each team has managed this project plan and project implement according to the requirement of the project management, and all the resources help in the improvement of the business model present by the client and with the collaboration of the course instructions. This course helps to be learn of the lot of knowledge areas which help to be develop better team building and communication skills, and also the management skills and dealing with the client by reading the case studies and literature review help me learn the practical knowledge and also improve my presentation skill in these industries. And I have learned to communicate with the stakeholders, how to manage the online food ordering system, how to survive in the market, and how to analyze through the different diagrams and flowchart, which very helpful To understand the implementation of this, the project and the online ordering system is automated the resources sharing reduced by physical interaction between the clients and our team. And I have also learned the benefits of online system which improve the service of clients throughout the great flexibility and increase the professionalism. And also in this course and helps in course helps to the improve my presentation skill, communication skill and time management skills. And thank you for watching this video.